In prime-time news this evening, a step closer to a republic, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announces Constitutional Reform Committee members. TVJ News in Focus report shares the tales of suffering from those experiencing drought conditions. And we want an apology. PNP angry over Finance Minister's massa comments aimed at Mark Golding.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's all about green arrows this evening. Gas prices are going down tomorrow, the lowest in the third week of January. I'll tell you by how much since in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. Recently, the ISA president, Keith Wellington, said over 100 athletes from overseas would be competing at champs for local high schools. Well, there are concerns that they could be getting preferential treatment. Read the ISA transfer rules. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
Scandalous. And with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine.
Thank you so much, Janella. Now, we do have drier conditions expected across the island tomorrow as well as on Friday, and we are expecting conditions to be getting warmer as well. More in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, how satisfied are you with the composition of the Constitutional Reform Committee?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.